Okay, so we're gonna put this crank in. We got a nice frosty crank here. We're gonna go in the right side. We're gonna heat this bearing up. It just said about 135 degrees or so, or 40. And with him frozen, contracted, and then heat this up. Starting to get there. Don't exactly know how much it's going to take. Like watching bearings heat up. We got slipped right in. Look at that. And then as he cools down, it'll swedge onto him. And then this side will go on. We'll heat this bearing up and then slide him on. Oh no, I put it in backwards. No. So that's how that'll go. We gotta build our trans and everything next, so that'll be coming up.